Welcome back to Tech House channel. Today in this video I am going to review OnePlus Nord, as I have been using this phone as my daily driver since last 3 months. OnePlus Nord is launched in the premium mid-range category. Its price is nearly $400. Considering its price, it has offered a good specs while comparing other phones from different brands like Samsung, Oppo, etc. OnePlus has launched this phone to fill the price gap, as now its phones are priced as flagship phones, that is nearly $1,000. While talking about its performance, it is rocking Snapdragon 765G, which obviously supports 5G, and it is 5G ready phone, which you could use this phone in the future too. And talking about the performance of this phone is rocking Snapdragon 765G. Obviously you get the goodness of Qualcomm Snapdragon. You could do heavy gaming, multiple tasking, video editing like stuff in this phone, but you can't expect the flagship level experience from this phone, as this phone is mid-range phone. But this phone can satisfy you in terms of performance. This phone is powered by 4200 mAh of battery. For a normal day-to-day user, it could last a day and a half battery usage. With the support of super fast charge, 30 watt charge, which could give you 70% of charge within 30 minutes of charge only. While moving towards its camera department, it has quad camera setup at its back, 48 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus 2 megapixel, but you can't get the flagship level of photo from this phone. If you guys are really concerned about cameras, you could go with Google Pixel 4a, which is similarly priced in this range. While talking about the build quality of OnePlus Nord, it is trendy, modern. It has glass back at its back. It will give premium feel as you hold on this hand. By the way guys, I have just hit 100 subscribers to my channel. Make sure to join our YouTube family by subscribing this channel. This is all about OnePlus Nord. I'll catch you very soon in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.